Hi guys, magmamata ako sa bagong binili ni Mama. Okay, let's start. E plus 0 equals to 3.
Great.
Okay, tara na. 2 plus 4 equals to 4.
Great.
Okay, 3 plus 4 equals to 7.
Great.
Okay, 3 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the answer is 5.
Amazing.
Bye-bye, guys!